Okay, here is a video about gem outline. So if we go to the gem category and then go up here, right here is gem outline. Okay, so let's run that and check it out. And I'm going to first need a gem. So let's just go get a round gem here. And we'll select the gem. Pre-selection is always a good thing. And then we'll click that gem outline and the girdle offset. If we leave that on 0, then it'll put an outline of a curve around the girdle of the stone. So that's the point of this tool, I guess I could say that. It generates a curve that outlines the gem. Okay, so we'll leave the blend radius at 0, won't do anything on a circle anyway, and I'll get back to custom. So let's just hit enter. And there's the curve right there, curve round outline curve. And you can do whatever you do with your curves that you make. It's up to you. All right, let's do this again. And girdle offset, if we type in a value, 0.25, that is a millimeter value. So when I hit enter, then we get a curve that is 0.25 millimeters off of the girdle in the shape of the stone. Yay. And you can run this more than once, by the way. So you could select, well, let's do that in the next example. Okay, so if we select this and click this again, let's say we want to build maybe a certain type of setting or head or something that has a round center, but it has a different shape out here, okay? Maybe, sometimes you make a marquee shape and put 2 rounds in it to fill it in, if you're not using marquees or something. Or perhaps let's do, so we'll switch it to custom, okay? And the gem shape, round won't be real custom because it's a round. So let's do cushion square. Okay, I'll leave the offset at 0.25 and hit enter. And so now we have the inside of a shape, and we could put a profile on here and sweep it around or something, But let's select this again, and let's make the offset 2 and leave this on square. And so now we have an inside and an outside. That we could build I don't know, a halo or something. So that's how that works. I'm not going to build stuff. I just want to show how this thing works. Okay, let's edit this gem. And let's go over to the gem loader. And let's switch this to something funky like a heart. Okay, so we'll select the heart and we'll click this again. Let's switch the girdle offset to 0.1. Okay, and let's turn custom off and let's run the blend radius. Okay, so here is, let's see, blend radius 0.2. Okay, and let's hit enter. So there, just so you can see it, I did 0.1 and then I did a 0.2 blend radius across here. So this is pretty handy. If we click on the gem and go to Bezel Builder, which of course is a setting tool, Bezel Builder, I've already run it. So we click that. If we build one on the gem has hard edges, okay, so it fills this shape and then comes down here to a sharp point and so on. And that's what it's supposed to do. So it does. However, if you want a more relaxed bezel for this particular gem, albeit it's a little bit big, but you get the idea, we can select the curve, okay? And maybe you know this, maybe you don't, but let's select nothing actually, and let's click Bezel Builder, and it says, hey, select a bezel, a gem. If you select a bezel, it would edit it. A gem, we did that, or a closed planar curve. and I missed the curve, so yay. So rather than miss again, I'll select it and run Bezel Builder. So now we have a rounded edge because the curve was rounded, and we also have a rounded edge here. Okay, so we can hit go on that, and there's a more relaxed rounded bezel. Uh, so there you go. Let's see, did I cover everything? Let's go back and see. I think I did. Let's go back here. The girdle offset, we did. Yeah, the blend radius, yay. And we did custom. So there you go. That's how Gem Outline works.